Hi guys, I'm the sister, and this is my first video, and I'm doing a Easter surprise egg made out of Play-Doh. So here we go. We're doing two, so here we go. First package is this glittery Play-Doh. I didn't know that. Okay, we got the fancy feast. Ooh, and some bubble gum. Yummy! I can't wait to eat my bubble gum. Let's set the Play-Doh to the side. And here's our second package. Let's open it with the glittery Play-Doh. Oh, what'd you say? Look what we got. It's so cute with a heart eye. And it has a star over here and a moon. Okay, bye. That's the end of the video.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Bye.